Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know the ways to manage storage in Google Photos. In order to manage storage in Google Photo, you can do this procedure. Now first of all, you could either get a premium subscription and this way you could also manage your storage, or else if you want to do it for free, then you could go ahead and empty your bin. So go to your collections and press the bin icon, and here you could go ahead and locate all of the images, and then you could go ahead and delete all of these deleted item from the bin. Next thing what you can do is you could go ahead and you could go ahead and then press on the profile icon, go to photo settings, and here you could go to preferences, and on this page you could go ahead and stack similar photos together or toggle the button for this, and the rest you could go ahead and delete all of that. This way you could go ahead and manage your storage in Google Photos as well. As mentioned earlier, you could go ahead and delete all of the items that's not necessary. So this way you could manage your storage in Google Photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.